Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial, so keep on watching if you want to see how I get from this to this. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification button so you are notified of every time I upload a video. And let's get started. Okay, so this is what my eyebrows look like. So I have gotten a little bit of microblading, like up here on the front. You can see that I got it up here and that it went away from actually exfoliating my face. And I've gotten it a little bit through the eyebrows as well. So let's just get started. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in number 5. And I just like to take this bully end and I like to comb right through the brow, through my brow hair, just like that. And then the same with the other side. And then, so what I like to do with the pencil first is just outline my brow. So that's what I'll be doing. And when you're outlining, this is when you can do whatever kind of art you want or whatever style you prefer. You will see that in some of my videos, I do have my brows differently because I do like to style them up different. So that is it. That is all I do for the outline. And then I'll do this brow. Now this brow is a little bit different because it is a different shape. This is my bad eyebrow. Good eyebrow, bad eyebrow. And then I just like to step back and just kind of look at them. Just to see if they're gonna look the same. Now you can see that this eyebrow goes up, like when I draw my line it goes, and this one just goes straight across. Okay, so I think like that is good. And then the next thing I do is I go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in dark brown. And I will be taking Oh, I will be taking the Anastasia number 12 angled pencil and just picking up product. I start at the end, the tail of my brow, and I just start filling that in. And then I'm not picking up any more product. I have whatever's on my brush. Okay, so that is how I fill them in. Okay, so just like that. Hopefully they look the same. This one is just a tad bit different. With the arch here. But it's okay because we'll go in and clean it. So I like to go in and shape them before I set them down. And to set them down, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in medium and this Morphe M421 brush. And I just pick some up right on the end here, just like that. And then I'll go in, I'll start in the middle. Then work my way to the front of the brow. And sometimes I don't do the top. But when I can, I will carve out the top as well. Okay, and then I just bring down that concealer down, just like that. So there's one brow done. Right there. And then to set to the brow, I will be going in with the Essence Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara in Browny Brows. And I will just comb them up like that. So just like that is how I do my brows. Now, if you do like make a mistake, like right here, you can go back in and, you know, just fill it in. So there's my brow. Okay, so now that I have both eyebrows carved out, the other thing I like to do is set the inner part of my eyebrow, because I don't like it so dark, with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. And I will just run that right on the top. So just like that. Okay, so this is how I do my eyebrows. Like I said, they're not perfect. Definitely not perfect. They're definitely not sisters. They're more like distant cousins. I do different techniques, I do different things when it comes to my eyebrows. I don't do the same thing over and over again. Sometimes I do, but right now this is what I've been loving, is outlining them with a pencil and filling them in with a pomade. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, don't forget to like this video, and go ahead and leave any comments down below of how you guys do your eyebrows, if you guys have any tips and tricks. So yeah, bye guys.